Good morning! Today is our last day of quarantine! Yay! We can finally go back in the world. The plan is to spend the day in Montreal, and tonight at around 9 or 10 p.m. we move to Quebec City. So we'll show you a little bit of what we do in Montreal for our only day here.
Welcome back.
So we made it to Montreal. This morning we went to have a nice coffee and almond croissant. We missed those. And then we went to grab takeout food for lunch, and we saw my brothers, my stepfather, and our cat. So
Yes,
happy!
we're gonna bring her back to Quebec City
Yay.
tonight. Can't wait for that. I also bought some new sandals because mine were like totally broken. I don't even think we have some footage of that, but
No.
they've broken up in Cancun and had to throw them away.
Yeah, so we did a little bit of shopping. We went en route towards the Darling Bar, which is actually where we met. We were both working there before we came to Mexico. And yes, we're gonna grab a glass of orange wine on the patio. They just opened back a week ago. And then we'll see, we'll grab dinner in a park probably.
Yep.
We'll see you then. Hello guys, made it to Quebec City. My brother took us here and we got our cat, Nala. The drive was fine. Nala was panicking a little bit at first, but now she's fine. This weekend the plan is to organize everything in our new apartment. So what we will do for our stay in Quebec for the next 3 to 4 months is stay at my dad's condo in Quebec. He's gonna stay at our house on the countryside of Quebec City, which is about an hour and 15 minutes from here. So he's gonna spend the summer there pretty much all summer. But we need to buy a few things to get organized. So this morning we're gonna go to IKEA to buy a bed, and we have some painting to do either this weekend or next weekend. So yeah, we'll take you on our little adventure. On a tout?
Bridget's dad's had 2 bikes. One is in good shape, and the other one needed some love. So we're currently working on that. I'm changing the tire for that, changing the grips on the handle, and maybe a little bit of oil on the chain. But other than that, we should be up and running in about 2 hours.
And then a little later in the afternoon, we're gonna paint our bedroom because right now it's bright orange. Thanks, brother, for picking this beautiful color. We're gonna paint it white. So yeah, my dad is currently prepping the room, and we're gonna be ready in the afternoon. I also have to buy a few pieces of clothing. I lost a few in Mexico and I really need new clothes, so we're gonna go do that this afternoon.
Alright, so that would be it for today's video. We're gonna do some more exploring in Quebec City in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. We're very excited to show you our favorite spots and our favorite restaurants as well. We're gonna do a whole montage of that, probably.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram for more of our daily lives, and we'll see you soon, guys.
Bye.